other distinguished guests, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, well-wishers of Nirmal Niketan family, and my dear friends, a very good evening to you all. In this beautiful and phenomenal evening, it is indeed with great pleasure that I stand before you to welcome you all to this colorful celebration of the annual day of our school 2014-2015. And that the State Government Board of Education, Chhattisgarh, as a private, unaided and minority institution. The school secured affiliation from the ICSE Board, New Delhi, way back in 2010. The school aims at providing ample opportunities for the students in academic, physical, moral, and cultural realms. The word education is derived from the Latin word educare, which means to draw out, to bring out, etc. Education is not merely imparting knowledge alone, but making the students to implement the acquired knowledge in their daily lives. Keeping these educational objectives in mind, Nirmal Niketan High School is marching forward to its acme in a steady manner to realize the dreams and desires of both the parents and the teachers. A bird's eye view on the profile of our distinguished guests who are present for the function today. We have the chief guest of today's function, Mr. Dinesh Pratap Upadhyaya, DIG CRPF for the districts of Dantewada and Sukma. He is a native of Bihar. He had his school education as well as his college education in Delhi. He holds a BA Honours degree in history and LLB degree from Delhi University. He joined the service on 4th February way back in 1991. He has rendered his valuable services for the nation in several states like Punjab, the President of India. Second Police Medal was awarded to him for his meritorious service. We have the special guest for the day, Mr. Nirmal Minch, District and Sessions Judge, Dantewada. He had his primary education at St. Mary's School, Dashpur, his high school education in Raigad District. He completed his degree in LLB and LLM from St. Aloysius College as well as Navayuga College University, Jabalpur, respectively. He was appointed as a civil judge way back in 1990. Later in 2001, he was promoted as the Chief Judicial Magistrate. In 2002, he became the additional district judge. In December 2014, he was appointed as the district and sessions judge of Dantewada district. The president of today's functions, Reverend Father Dr. Josie Thamarasheri, CMI. Father Josie Thamarasheri was ordained a priest on January 3rd, 1996. He has served as the assistant parish priest of St. Peter's Church, Dugoli, for 2 years until 1998. He did his MTH degree from Sacred Heart Theological College, Shillong, in the year 1998 to 2000. For the year 2001 to 2002, he has served at St. Maria Magdalena Church in Gedam in the Diocese of Münster in Germany. From 2002 to 2007, he did his doctorate studies at West Fleischer Wilhelm University in Münster in Germany. During this time, he has also served as the assistant parish priest at St. Nicomedes Parish, Borhorst in the Diocese of Münster. During this time, he has, from 2007 to 2014, he had been the general coordinator of the CMIs working in Germany. During this time, he has also rendered his pastoral ministries in various parishes in the Archdiocese of Cologne. On 2nd May 2014, he was elected as the Provincial Superior of CMI Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur. So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, wishing you a colorful cultural evening. We mark the beginning of today's annual function to our welcome dance. Come on, let's enjoy.
Guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place, trying to get out. Let's follow me. Let's go. Yes, sir. You miss me.
Last name ever, first name greatest.
chief guest of the day, other distinguished guests, Reverend fathers, sisters, respected parents, and my dear friends, a very good evening to you all. In this colorful evening, we are all gathered here to celebrate the 20th annual day celebration of Nirmal Niketan School. I feel really privileged and honored as I stand before you to welcome you all to this August function. First and foremost, may I accord a warm welcome to the Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Shri Dinesh Pratap Upadhyay, DIG CRPF Dantewada. You accepted our invitation despite your busy schedule and came over here to enrich and encourage our students through your esteemed presence. So, hearty welcome, Father. Secondly, I cordially welcome the special guest of the day, Shri Nirmal Minj, District and Sessions Judge, Dantewada. You have always been close to us through your kind cooperation and support. Hearty welcome, Father. I also accord a cordial welcome to the President of the function, Reverend Father Josie Thamurashri, CMI, the Provincial Superior of the Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur. Being the supreme head of this institution, you have always been a real source of inspiration for the management, staff and students. Hearty welcome, Father. I also cordially welcome our beloved principal, Father Bobby M. Joseph, who guides, encourages and supports us all through their academic career. Hearty welcome, Father. I also accord a warm welcome to our founder principal, Reverend Father Mani Kadaplakal, CMI, whose constant toil and hard work has gone into the realization of this prestigious institution. Hearty welcome, Father. Last but not the least, I welcome all our parents, well-wishers and friends whose constant guidance, support and encouragement has been the edifice of the NNS family down through the years. All most cordially to the 20th school annual day. Now we have the lighting the lamp ceremony. May I invite the Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Shri Dinesh Pratap Upadhyay, DIG CRPF Dantewada for lighting the lamp. May I invite special guest Shri Nirmal Minj, District and Sessions Judge, Dantewada for lighting the lamp. May I invite the President, Reverend Father Josie Thamurashri, CMI, President, Nirmal Vice Province Society, Jagdalpur for lighting the lamp. May I invite Principal, Reverend Father Bobby M. Joseph, Founder Principal of Nirmal Niketan, Reverend Father Mani Kadaplakal, CMI. Senior teacher Mrs. Geeta Nair and school leader Master Akshant Singh Chauhan also. Thank you all, and once again I welcome you all most cordially to our 20th school annual day celebration. Thank you so much.
Janvarius Palaturati, CMI, which means to make everything dynamically divine. Essentially, what we do and what we say are invariably related to God. So let us invoke God's blessings to be encandled by His Spirit through a prayer dance.
Good evening to everybody. Chris, what is special today? Today Nilmal Niketan School is celebrating its annual day. Okay, that is why our small and students of nursery are on the stage with colorful dress. Yes, they are ready with the guest to entertain us. So let's see what they do.
Make some noise for the Bank boys.
There's a boy in my mind and he knows I'm thinking of him. On my way to the day and the night, the stars shine above me. He's been gone for some time, but I know I truly love him. And I'm singing a song, hoping he'll be back when he hears it. My heart goes sha la 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 la, sha la la in the morning, sha la 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 la, sha la la in the sunshine, sha la 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 la, sha la la in the evening, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 just for you.
medicine for broken heart. More so when they are older songs of 60s and 70s. Such older songs instill in our mind the nostalgic memories of the history. Now the young birds of Nirmaliketan family take you to a dance of nostalgia. So let us enjoy it.
कश्मीर की चली हूँ मैं, मुझसे ना रूठो बाबूजी। मुरझा गई तो फिर न खिलूंगी, कभी नहीं, कभी नहीं, कभी नहीं। अरे कश्मीर की चली हूँ मैं, मुझसे ना रूठो बाबूजी। मुरझा गई तो फिर न खिलूंगी, कभी नहीं, कभी नहीं, कभी नहीं।
África. Porque esto es África. Oye tu Dios y presta cada da lo que siento. Hay que empezar de cero para tocar el cielo. Ahora vamos por todo y todos vamos por ello. Samina, mina, sangalegua, porque esto es África. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sangalegua, ana, waka, Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sangalegua, porque esto es África.
चिड़िया उड़ी, तितली उड़ी, पतंग उड़ी. What happened, you sister? You not know there are some birds on the stage to fly. Birds? What do you mean? Yes, you can see now what they do. Okay, let us see and enjoy.
May I invite our principal, Reverend Father Bobby, to present the annual report.
A very good evening and warm welcome to one and all. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Sri Dinesh Pratap Upadhyay, DIG CRPF, Dantewada. Reverend Dr. Father Josie Tamarsheri, CMI, President, Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur, the President of today's function. Sri Nirmal Minch, District and Session Judge, Dantewada, the special guest of the day. Distinguished guests from CRPF, District Court, Education Department, other distinguished guests, principals and guests from various institutions, Reverend Fathers, Sisters, dear parents, well-wishers, ladies and gentlemen. Let me extend to you all a cordial and warm welcome to the 20th annual function of Nirmal Niketan School, Karli, Dantewada. Tagore, the greatest poet and educationalist of our nation, says, "The great task of education is not merely to collect facts, but to know man and to make oneself known to man." Yes, it is true. Knowing oneself and the other is the greatest knowledge a man can achieve. It is not limited to any time or space, as Indira Gandhi said once. Education is a continuing process from the minute we are born until we die. Now let me come to my duty of presenting the annual report of the school during the year 2014-15 before this August assembly. Admission and strength. Nirmal Niketan School, Karli, Dantewada is a minority institution run by the management of Nirmal Province, Jagdalpur of the CMI congregation with all the facilities that are attached to the schools in the metropolitan cities. It is affiliated to the Council of Indian School Certificate Examination, ICSE, New Delhi. CMI congregation is the first indigenous congregation started in Kerala under the official leadership of Saint Kuriakos Elias Chavara in the year 1831, and now has spread all over the world with more than 3,000 members, extending their services in the fields of education, social work, health and pastoral care. Our school was started on 17th July 1995 and is going to complete 20 years of service in the field of education in Dantewada area. I am sure that many of our passed out students are doing excellently well in different fields of their profession and studies. We are dedicated to give admission to all the aspiring pupils, irrespective of their caste, color, creed or sex. We give fee concession to the economically weak and deserving students. We always work for the enlightenment and all-round development of our students. The total strength of the school at present is 1,407. The real strength of Nirmal Niketan is the staff, which includes 40 teaching and 16 non-teaching staff. I remember with gratitude their dedication and service they are extending for the school. Results. I feel proud to acknowledge before you that for the past 10 years we were getting best results in the 10th board examinations. Last year, Kumari Kartika Nair stood first with 80% and Master Yogesh Pachuria second with 75%, followed by Kumari Kritika Mahapatra with 73%. We confidently expect that the present batch will come out with the 100% result in their board exams, which commences on 26th February. Co-curricular or extracurricular activities. Together with intellectual formation, we try to give ample opportunities for sports and games and literary and cultural activities. Days were set apart for these competitions and the champions and the winners will be awarded today. These occasions give the students the platform to explore and exhibit their hidden talents and potentialities. Besides this, our school band has become an essential part in Dantewada for the occasions like Independence or Republic Days. Our students took part in the essay competitions conducted by the district court, and the winners will be awarded today by the special guest of the day, Sri Nirmal Minch, District and Session Judge, Dantewada. Kumari Chitra was awarded by the Governor of Chhattisgarh for her performance in Scout and Guide meet. Kumari Shifa Khan and Master Adarsh Srivastava were selected for national level competitions for baseball held at Kabir Dham. Our school folk dance team stood second in the inter-school dance competition that was held at Nirmal Vidyalaya, Jagdalpur. Since last year, we have been providing the opportunity for students counseling and guidance, and I am sure students are making the maximum use of it. We also organize study tour for the students every year. It was to South Kerala and Kanyakumari this year. We had conducted an alumni meet, a meeting of all the passed out students of our school last October, and it was a grand success and well appreciated by all. A word of appreciation. Let me make use this opportunity to express our sincere thanks and gratitude to Sri Dinesh Pratap Upadhyay, DIG CRPF Dantewada, the chief guest of the day, for his encouragement, presence and support that he has been rendering for our institution. He is one of our parents too. I remember and appreciate all the support that we are getting from CRPF Karli and Barsur battalions. I do remember with gratitude Sri Nirmal Minch and his team for their encouraging presence and support for us. Also, I remember with gratitude the support we received from Department of Education at Dantewada and Geetham, Departments of Police and Media too. I am very much indebted to Reverend Dr. Father Josie Tamarasheri, CMI, our provincial superior, who is always with us in our undertakings and who contributes to the well-being of the school by giving valuable suggestions. I remember with gratitude Reverend Father Santosh Koteri, CMI, Counselor for Education, other members of the Council, Reverend Fathers, Sisters and Brothers for their timely encouragement, guidance, corrections and support. I do remember with gratitude our Bishop, His Excellency Mar Joseph Kollambarambil, CMI, for all the support he is rendering for us. I am very much indebted to Reverend Father Biju Alex, CMI, our former Vice Principal and Bursar, Reverend Father Shaiju PK, former Principal, Father James Erasheri, CMI, former Vice Principal and Bursar, and also late Father Joseph Kutianikel, CMI, our former Manager. May I make use this opportunity to express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all our parents, guardians and well-wishers for all their support, encouragement and suggestions they are rendering us. I am also thankful to all our teaching and non-teaching staff as well as to our dear students who make the school actually what it is now. It is time for me to place my gratitude to Reverend Fathers Josie, our present Vice Principal and Bursar, and Sebastian, our local manager, for their support and dedicated service which make me to lead the school in the best way possible. Now let me place my heart filled with gratitude and thanksgiving before the Almighty, who is the source of all goodness, beauty and happiness, Sat, Chit and Ananda. With these words, let me place this report for your kind approval. Thanking you all once more. Thank you very much.
Chak dum dum, chak dum dum. Good, good. What are you doing? I am singing. Do you want to dance? No, no. I'm very poor in dancing. Don't worry. There are some little children of Nirmal Niketan on the stage with a wonderful dance. Really? Yes. So let us sing and encourage them.
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा, कहाँ से आए तुम? घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा, कहाँ से आए तुम? धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम छक, धूम धूम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, है छनक छनक छुम छुम
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है बारिश होती है चनक चनक झुम झुम कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम बादल झुके झुके से है
रास्ते रुके रुके से है
क्या तेरी मर्जी है मेरा घर हमको जाने न देगा
आगे है बरसात पीछे है तूफान मौसम बेईमान कहाँ चले हम तुम
धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम अंबर झुका झुका सा है
सब कुछ रुका रुका सा है
छाया सदा कितना प्यारा
सावन का समझो इशारा ऐसे मौसम में तुम भी कुछ कहो तुम भी कुछ करो खड़ी हो क्यों गुमसुम
धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक
घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी तुम ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आई तुम घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी जैसी तुम ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आई तुम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम छक धूम धूम 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 छक
मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. चलो जवानी बड़ा जोर सिवेदार रजनी दा फैन सिवेदार चलो जवानी बड़ा जोर सिवेदार रजनी दा फैन सिवेदार डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा, ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा, लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा, स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा। डिस्को में जब ये गाना बजेगा, ऑन द फ्लोर आना पड़ेगा, लुंगी को उठाना पड़ेगा, स्टेप करके दिखाना पड़ेगा। All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. नाइटी क्लब में आया मैं तो, मुझको रोकेगा कौन और गाय को, मेरा मूड में डांस करेगा, किसी का डैडी से नहीं डरेगा, जिसको जो भी है करना वो कर लो, इधर ही मैं हूँ खड़ा पकड़ लो, घर पे जाके तुम गूगल कर लो, मेरे बारे में विकिपीडिया पे पढ़ लो। मुझसा है कौन? Oh baby, yes I'm a don. मिलेगा मुझसा go find it. Don't anger me, mind it. अरे मेरे जैसे डांस किसको आता है? कोरियोग्राफर को मैं ही सिखाता है, वो घर पे आता है, मुझसे सीख जाता है, मुझसे सीख वो लोग को सिखाता है। मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। मूछों को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के, अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के, कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के, आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के। All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance. All the Rajini fans, don't miss the chance.
Have you ever been to Punjab? Punjab is a beautiful land with 5 rivers, with a number of joint families, a land well known for its tandoori chicken. All the same, what makes Punjab unique is its characteristic special Bhangra dance. It is going to be all the more interesting when it is given London color and taste. Now our students present before you a London mix of Punjabi dance. So let's enjoy it.
ਹੋ ਗਈ 1 2 2 ਉਹ ਕੁੜੀਏ what to do ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਪਤੰਗਾ ਵਰਗੀ ਤੂੰ ਐਵੇਂ ਉੱਡਦੀ ਉਹ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੀ ਹਿੱਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਟੁਕ 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 ਕਰਦੀ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਗਿੱਟ ਤੂੰ ਕਰਦੀ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕੁਈਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚ ਪੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚ ਪੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਠੁਮਕਦਾ ਲਾਊਡਸਪੀਕਰ ਤੇ ਮਾਡੋਨਾ ਵੱਜਦੀ ਉਹ ਲਾਈਕੇ ਵਰਜਨ ਥੈਲ ਘਰ ਤੇ ਕਬੂਤਰ ਵਰਗੀ ਉਹ ਮੇਮਾ ਫਿਰਦੀ